people pray for their daily bread. Nations craft for their own hand. Sinobake Group Limited, also known as Huaji, founded in 1994, have 3 subsidiaries, Huawei, Sinobake, and Huaxin. In pursuit of its goal to become a secure, dependable, and cutting-edge national food machinery company, it is committed to manufacturing a world-class baking machine. In 1995, Sinobake's first self-developed fully automatic hard and soft biscuit production line was introduced, becoming the earliest enterprise in China specializing in production of complete sets of baking automation equipment. In 2000, the self-developed fully automatic multifunctional cookie production line with tunnel oven was put into use. In 2015, Sinobake built a technology-oriented R&D center that integrates research and development with production. In 2022, Sinobake fully entered the era of Industry 3.0, and the supporting equipment of large-scale online cookie cabinet, biscuit sorting and packaging fully automatic production line was officially launched. It has successfully become a manufacturer of the whole industry chain covering silo dosing, dough forming, baking, sorting, and packaging, and entered the Shunde high-tech industrial park of 600,000 square meters, starting a new journey. For over 30 years, we have been committed to providing high-end customized one-stop solutions for the global baking industry. Specializing in customizing biscuits, cookies, potato chips, cakes, and various types of baking equipment. We also provide complete sets of automatic silo dosing, packaging automation equipment, and other products. We are well aware that food safety is the foundation of people's livelihoods. We have passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, established a comprehensive quality management system, ensured safety and efficiency, and obtained international CE certification. The complete equipment of Sinobake machinery production line has obtained AAA level certification for measurement management system in terms of product quality, environmental monitoring, energy conservation and consumption reduction, energy management, and other aspects. Adhering to the spirit of striving for excellence as a craftsman, Sinobake not only has more than 20 high-precision machining centers imported from the USA, including Sharp and Haas machines, but also has a complete set of equipment with a self-processing rate of 98% for spare parts,
allowing for strict control over the processing accuracy.
Striving for excellence and perseverance. Through the unremitting efforts of 3 generations of Sinobake personnel, we have obtained over 100 national patents. As a high-tech enterprise in Guangdong province, Huaji has filled multiple gaps in the research and development of the overall structure and operating system of food machinery. In 2017, it was authorized by the Provincial Department of Science and Technology to establish the Guangdong Food Machinery Automation Engineering Technology Research Center. We will persevere and continue to promote the development of the food industry, enhancing our intelligent manufacturing capabilities. 1,000 miles are covered one step at a time. Persistence will lead to success. Nowadays, Sinobake has an annual production capacity of over 30 sets of production lines, and its products are exported to over 100 countries and regions such as Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Our cooperative customers include more than 60 international first-tier brands, both domestically and internationally. And people around the world are eating the baking products produced by Sinobake equipment every day. For 30 years, like a day, we persist. In the future, we will still bravely establish the forefront of food technology development. Continuously enhance the influence of Chinese food machinery in the international market. Establish a benchmark for national enterprises and become a world-class baking machine. Sinobake Group Limited, Huaji Machinery.